Tangina mo.
Yun, live pala tayo and syempre hindi natin papagpasin itong episode na to and let's congregate and come together and join us in this whimsical journey through time, space, and age as we celebrate the coming of age of one of our dear friends here in G3. Join us as we showcase Mike's life as it unfolds in front of him with a bunch of roasts, funny jokes, and stupid insults. This narrative of his life paints a portrait of a man who's lived through history only to find himself posthumously out of place in the modern world. Ladies and gentlemen, for the first time in the history of G3, welcome to the roast of Mike Quintana.
Welcome to the G3 podcast. We're going to be talking about everything geeky and nerdy in between comic books, toys, video games, movies, you name it, we got it.
You're tuned in to the loudest, craziest, and most excited bunch of geeks and nerds on this side of the planet. You're about to dive into everything nerdy and geeky in between.
This
is the G3 Podcast. Gamers, geeks, and good times.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, it's a Friday! Sinimula na agad ni Chino. But ladies and gentlemen, it's a Friday and what a day. Oh boy! I think parang mga ilang buwan din nating pinaghandaan tong episode na to and it has been moved, no? Yung na parang dapat first season episode itong Roast of Mike Quintana. Season ender dapat siya every month meron, 'di ba? Pero yun nga, tinawag ni Mike tawag dito, Tarantadong Kalbo, kaya na-move ng season 2. But anyway, ladies and gentlemen, we're joined by an amazing ensemble cast. We got, of course, the man of the evening. We got Captain Mike. We got Charlie right there, handang-handa na. We got Notch. And of course, we got Trickster as well. Ladies and gentlemen, I took the opportunity to be your roast master for tonight. Ayan, naka-necktie tayo. Pero medyo formal din tingnan. Di ba? Ayan. Medyo formal. Ito yata yung tawag nilang semi-not formal. Ayan. So, semi-formal but not formal. Guys, thank you so much for being here sa simula pa lang ng episode. And I'll be guiding you. I'll be guiding everyone through our very first quarterly roast here in G3. And syempre, ini-invite ko rin yung mga viewers natin na mag-send din ng mga roasts nila kasi babasahin natin yan mamaya. Ayan, ihanda nyo yung pinaka nakakaiyak, pinaka nakaka-insulto, pinaka nakakapikon. Ayan, gawin nyo lahat. Let's get some emotion.
Meron na nga meron na nang-roast na sila, no? May collection pala tayo today. May collection pala yung G3.
So again, that we need to get some emotions out of Mike tonight. That's gonna be our goal, ladies and gentlemen. And a few house rules, di ba? Kasi syempre hindi pwedeng maging roast to kapag walang house rules. So yung rules namin dito, every panel member has a maximum of 10 minutes to roast Mike Quintana. Medyo mahaba-haba yan. Mike Lily, gusto mo gawin natin 20 minutes?
Sige, gusto ko 1 hour sa akin lang eh.
Okay, 1 hour kayo lang. Ayan. So, to roast Mike Quintana. So, again, pati kayo sa comments, keep it within Mike's personality, attitude, physical looks, job, skills, history.
Magbabago lang ako ng roast kasi medyo malalim yung akin eh.
Malalim.
Ay, hindi niya sinabi. Puro personals tong akin.
Kaya nga eh.
Kaya nga, personal nga. Dapat yung personality, attitude, physical look, job, skills, history, preferences, age, yung mga experiences nyo kay Mike, di ba, kung nakasama nyo siya somewhere, and it only has to be about Mike. And low blow and green jokes are allowed. Factual or not factual information, pwede kayong magkwento ng barbero about Mike. It is permitted. You can make something up for fun. And disclaimer, no mention of Mike's mother and loved ones. Yun lang yung natin, yung line na hindi natin i-cross tonight. Alright? Mike is not allowed to talk back or explain himself until after everyone has roasted. So Mike, makikinig ka lang hanggang patapos na yung episode.
Putang ina mo, Mike!
Okay? Uy! Tinanggal yung microphone! Ayan. So, have your roasts sa panel, have your roasts scripted or memorized, okay lang as long as walang dead air. And the flow of each roast should be, you introduce yourself, you welcome each panel member. Isa-isa tayo, i-welcome ulit natin kada roast natin isa't isa. And you roast each panel member with a one-liner. Ayan.
I like it.
So kung wari, dito si Lee, si Notch, si Trickster, ako ang nagro-roast, i-roast ko rin sila pero one-liner lang. Isang linya lang, wala nang ibang Alright? And then you roast Mike yung roast proper na ni Mike, and then in the finale of your roast, you must say something good about Mike, pambawi. Again, pero hindi kayo pwede mag-sorry. Walang magso-sorry. Bawal mag-sorry. Okay? So be creative. Dito. Don't limit yourself to just trash talk and make it entertaining. So after everyone, si Mike na. May time na si Mike para i-explain sarili niya, magsalita, or kung mga sinasabi natin ditong kagaguhan. Alright?
G.
Okay, G. And I hope everyone's okay. I hope everyone's alright. Alam na rin ng mga viewers natin yung rules and regulations ng host na to. Simulan na natin the roast of Mike Quintana in this week's G3 Spotlight.
Let's go!
Yun. Ayan na. Ay, suggestion kanina mag-wheel of names tayo. Alright? So,
Para fair lang.
Para fair.
Actually, before we do the wheel of names, so why don't you go first? Kasi I've never done a roast before.
Alright.
Give us an example.
Alright, Alright, sige, simulan na natin to, guys.
Sige.
Thank you so much for giving me the opportunity to talk first. And I really love the amazing set of people here today, alright? We got the viewers, we got the panel, dito si Notch. Of course, G3's amazing ball of sunshine. And so, ball of positivity. And actually, Notch, gusto ko lang i-acknowledge yung the most remarkable thing you've done to G3 in our community, which is leaving and being on hiatus for a few months. Thank you so much, Notch. Right? Welcome din, Lee. And our rich guy from Dubai, basically. Pero feeling ko kaya ka nasa Dubai kasi nagtatago ka sa gobyerno. No? Kamusta na yung offshore bank account mo sa Switzerland, Lee? Baka naman meron tayo dyan. Di ba? And Trickster, yo, brother. Our good and reliable walking dictionary is also here. Actually, Tricks, hindi ka na ine-expect na nandito. So, kasi hindi ka nagre-reply sa GC, kaya wala akong na-prepare na one-liner para sa'yo. But anyway, thank you for coming on your anime waifu body pillow. All right.
Oh my God!
Ang dumi! Thank you so much for being here and supporting our old friend Mike. No, pwede na nating sabihin yung old friend Mike. Especially to all Mike's fans in the chat. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ayan. So, ayan. Yung 4 na fans ni Mike sa chat. Ayan. Magandang gabi. But before we move on to the meaty bits, actually, Mike, nag-ikot-ikot ako sa streets ng QC. Para kasi may nagpadala ng reviews sa akin yung mga naging masahista mo throughout the years. Yun yung nagpadala ng reviews. So meron tayong 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 reviews ng mga masahista mo through the years. Alright, babasahin ko lang isa-isa kasi kinompile ko to. Alright. Naka-alias sila, syempre, para di malaman yung real name. Alias Butterfly, sabi niya, di ako narinig ni sir nung sinabi kong harap na at nakatulog na lang sa kama.
What?
Ito, alias White Horse. Tinakbuhan ako, di na nga tumayo, di pa nagbayad. Sabi dito ni alias Ganda, sabi ni Sir Hard, pero nagrereklamo na masakit daw.
Putongin na.
Sabi ni alias Strawberry, yung extra service na gusto ni Sir, mag-edit ako ng video kasi bukas na yung deadline.
Roderick!
Si alias CC. Ayan. Sabi ni Sir, record daw namin yung session pero na-turn off ako kasi umintro ng, "Hey, what's up you guys? This is your captain speaking." Ito din, si alias Bulag, sabi niya dito, "Hindi ko alam, may pangatlong binti pala si Sir."
Wow!
And walang alias Mike pero parang I think it's one of the masahista mo from the past. Sabi niya, "Uga-buga, uga-buga, uga-buga."
Rar! Uga-buga, rar!
But tonight is an amazing night. Again, we're here to celebrate Mike and who he is as a person. So, Mike, panimula ko pa lang yun, Mike. Let's get this intro out of the way and let's start. My roast, entitled Monty Python Life of Mike. Year 5 million BC. Mike was brought to life by an alien daddy. A few years later, he found himself becoming friends with prehistoric animals. Then, one extinction event, one ice age, one renaissance, 2 world wars, and multiple pandemics later, here he is, right in front of you guys, as a bona fide unemployed piece of shit. But you have to give it to Mike. A man of his age, tapos nakaka-relate pa kung ano yung mga trip ng Gen Z ngayon. But really, are you just trying to be hip, in, and cool, or are you a pedophile in disguise? But eto na nga. Good friend and brother BJ, blessed be his name, is a huge inspiration for Mike. No, he learned the true value of friendship, loyalty, and earned some soft and hard skills along the way. But then, nung nawala si BJ, it took all of us. It took all of G3's collective effort to do what BJ does. But, magalala Mike, it will only take one Squall de Los Santos to replace your sorry old ass. Again, speaking of G3, again, Mike has been one of the fundamental members of G3 and I respect him for that. G3 is a complete group of geeks and nerds. We got Notch, the funny one, Rene, the tall one, Trickster, obviously the walking dictionary. I'm the loud guy who's a very good-looking host. Lee is the rich motherfucker. Lala is a cosplayer. Bing is a legit race car driver. Stanley is the best support person G3 could get. And then we have Mike. Yeah, just Mike. Wala nang kasunod. Get a hobby, you insignificant prick. Come on, man. Like come on. Alright. But then, let's move away from G3 and talk about Mike himself. For all honesty, Mike has a cool car. Like, sobrang, like, yun yung pinaka-nagustuhan ko kay Mike. Diba? It gives a really sporty vibe. I get to go on road trips with this guy from time to time. Pero matanong ko lang, kung magkasama tayo, di naman nasisira yung sasakyan mo eh. Pero bakit ka nasisiraan sa harap ng Pegasus? But, in all honesty, man, Mike for me is the best big brother / friend anyone could ever have. Ay, teka lang ha. Wait. Mali. Okay, wait. I was supposed to say, Mike for me is the best great grand tito anyone could ever have. And me being his good friend, Mike has entrusted me with his last will and testament. So these are the things that he will leave to the following G3 members. Just in case na mag-hiatus din siya. Diba? Nakasulat, ito legit, sinulat ni Mike to para sa For Jazz, his 2021 Honda City, para di na ako laging nagpapasundo at kahit may pera naman ako pang grab. Tangina mo ka, buraot ka, Jazz. For Chino, Mike leaves you his unbridled rage kasi siya sumalo lahat sa G3 nung umalis ka at every time lagi kang wala. For Rene, Mike leaves you 3 boxes full of Bomba VHS films. For Trickster, his gaming accounts on Steam, Epic, and Ubisoft. Since aside from Hitman and Helldivers, wala naman talagang ibang games na nilalaro si Mike. So ikaw na lang daw. And for Stanley, Mike leaves you his gaming PC pero ikaw dapat kumuha. He's also left you a treasure map of all the locations of each peripherals. Good luck. And for, gagi meron kay Lee. Wait, may physical item na iniwan si Mike for Lee. Ito daw. Alright. So, in true G3 fashion, ayan, Mike, you're an amazing person, brother. Again, panganay ako, never ako nagkaroon ng kuya, diba? And you are like the best support system ever as well. Thank you so much for looking out for us, for looking out for me and Lala. Enjoy this night. This night is about you. All right? Mike, okay ka pala? Okay ka ba? Okay pa. Ayun, okay pa si Mike, guys. All right, so our next roster for tonight. And meron akong wheel of names, huwag kayong mag-alala. Ayan. So,
I'm curious about this. Like,
dapat pala may Rene.
Will Rene be last? Like, okay, there we go.
Rene is here. All right.
He has a prepared statement.
Yes, he has a video for Mike. All right, our next roster for tonight will be
ako talaga.
It's Lee.
Ayaw pa akong pahulihin eh. Pero sige.
Lee, it's your time to shine, brother.
Salamat sa mga viewers natin. Happy birthday, Mike. Pero putang ina mo. Ilang taon na tayong magkakilala, hanggang ngayon, tuwing magsasalita ka, inaantay ko pa din yung end ng sentence mo. Putangina, ilang taon na, 5 years na. Yung unang sentence na sinabi mo sa akin hanggang ngayon, hindi pa din tapos. Kaya putang ina mo ka. So, thank you nga pala sa mga co-roaster ko, kay General Tuna, na sobrang sipag niya actually guys eh. Gumawa siya ng sariling business outside of G3. Tapos hindi ko na pagpreparean ng roast talaga tong mga co-roaster ko. Kaya Trickster, iwas ka muna sa Jackal, medyo mainit ngayon. Baka magpaltos yung titi mo. And Notch, thank you sa pagbalik. Nakakatawa din na bumalik ka pa kasi akala ko talaga nung nagpahinga ako, sinasadya mo talaga na umalis din. So, thank you sa pagbalik. Medyo hindi na kailangan kasi tinatrabaho na din just yung ginagawa mo. Pero, guys, joke lang sport lang tayo guys sa mga viewers natin. Mike, mahal na mahal ka namin pero umpisahan na natin. Guys, hindi nyo nalalaman, no? Sa sobrang tanda ni Mike, nung unang beses siya umutot, nabuo yung universe. Siya talaga yung proponent ng Big Bang. Big Bang Theory. Puro madami akong old man jokes dito kasi yun talaga yung ko kay Mike eh. And isang beses din nung sundan ko lang yung sinabi ni Jess, nung nagpamasayan, after nung masahista mag-extra service, Putang ina, nagulat siya, dumulas yung kamay niya. Putang ina, sabi nung masahista, "Sir, ba't may pulbos na lumalabas sa titi mo?"
Ashes.
Pagkatapos doon, talagang smooth ng skin nung masahista after ng extra service.
Si Crash.
Tsaka pag madalas nga kasabay ni Mike nun, pag nagpapamasahe nga, kasabay niya si Enrile. Nagkakagulatan pa nga sila, sabi pa ni Enrile, "Putang ina, buhay ka pa din." Putang ina yan. si Enrile na yung nagtatanong, "Buhay ka pa?" Putang ina. Teka, madami pa ako dito Teka lang ha.
May listahan
talaga po. May listahan talaga
Nakalis na to dito. Tapos din nakakapagtaka din minsan yung nangyari ngayon. Sobrang, kasi mahilig talaga si Mike sa mga masahista tsaka extra service Nakakapagtaka hanggang ngayon yung HIV or AIDS, hindi pa din nila matukoy kung ano yung, alam mo yun, yung cure. Putang ina, nandyan naman yung patient zero. Mike, ba't di ka pa mag-submit? Putang ina, pwede mo nang gamutin yung HIV or AIDS pagka nagpa-check up ka. Tapos ito ba, tangina, puro old man jokes talaga kasi. Alam mo Mike, minsan nga iniisip ko, pagka namatay ka, hindi ka na ililibing, maglalaho ka na lang ng bigla Para ka talaga magiging particles ka na lang, sobrang tanda mo, Mike. Tsaka tsaka si Mike, nung pinako si Jesus, nandun si Mike actually, hindi nyo guys alam sobrang dedicated ni Mike sa media. Siya talaga yung nag-cover nun, guys. Kaya lahat ng lahat ng details, pre, kabisado ni Mike yun. Siya talaga, kasama siya sa sumulat. Siya pa nag-proofread ng Bible, guys. Kaya kabisado talaga niya.
Praise God.
Tsaka nung, di ba, natapos nung pinako si Jesus sa krus. Sabi ni Mike, "Puta, kawawa naman to." Tas nilibing pa sa malaking bato. Ginawa ni Mike, binuksan niya yung bato for Jesus para nga naman makalabas kasi putang init sa loob
Siya pala.
Pala yung dahilan.
Siya talaga yung dahilan, guys. Kumbaga siya ano ang pangalan? Ron Forrest Run. Yun yung talaga yung history ni Mike, guys. Siya talaga yun.
Unboxing video.
Oo. Tsaka, nung una ko talagang nakilala din si Mike, tuwan-tuwa ako dyan kasi naglalaro siya ng Clash of Clans. Tapos tinanong ko, "Mike, ba't ba Clash of Clans yung ang hilig mong laruin?" Sabi niya, malalim kasi talaga yung history nun. Talagang yun pinag-isipan ng maigi. Tsaka naalala ko kasi yung childhood ko ng mga knights and barbarians pa yung mga kasama kong maglaro.
Nakakamiss.
And guys, sa mga viewers natin, kung di nyo alam, dating nagko-call center si Mike. Sa sobrang galing ni Mike, siya talaga yung unang TL na putang ina nag-enjoy sa team building. Siya talaga siya yung kauna-unahang TL na nagpapasok ng kwarto do sa bagong team member. Guys, team building tayo. Siya yung una nag-enjoy, guys. Kaya Mike, mahal na mahal kita. Salamat sa walang sawang pagsuporta sa G3. Tangina, nung una kita nakilala, alam mo, hindi ko akalain na magiging magkaibigan tayo. Kasi sobrang manyak mo Pero, again, Mike, happy birthday. Kung wala ka, siguro wala na talaga yung G3. And kung wala ka, wala tayo sa Earth ngayon. Putang ina, yung contribution mo sa mundo, hindi lang sa G3. Sa lahat sa amin, happy birthday. Putang ina mo. Sana gumaling na yung paglag ng utak mo pagkausap ka. And aantayin ko pa rin yung pagkatapos ng sentence nung 5 years ago.
What was the sentence?
What was the sentence? Ano simula nung sentence ba?
Curious sentence
Yung sentence, Lee, alam mo ba? Tapos wala nang kasunod.
Alam mo ba? Hanggang hindi pa rin alam.
Pag binabalikan ko yung chat namin nung unang-una pa lang, yung alam mo ba pa din, naka-question mark pa din, inaantay ko ba din, putang ina, ano kayo sagot dito sa alam mo ba na to? Yun yung lifelong question ko, pag nasagot na yun, pwede na ako mamatay, guys.
Yun. Ayun, so thank you so much, Lee, for that amazing roast. And ayan, so kung totoong may drinking game ngayon, lasing na siguro kaming lahat. So sobrang dami ng old man jokes. Yep. Pero again, we have to keep the ball rolling. I just have to read some roasts here from the chat. Actually, yan, yun nga, magpapalit yun. Puro happy birthday. Ano ba to? Episode roasting your birthday boy. Belated happy birthday. Ayan, from Martin. Ayun, ito si Banyagang Native. Happy birthday, Mike. Naalala mo ba nung nagsasailing tayo ng brad natin na si Limahong?
Si Limahong. Kasabay niyo pala. Kayo pala yung umano sa Maynila. Kayo yung nag-conquer sa Maynila.
Nag-conquer sa Maynila.
Putang inang yan.
And so, ayan, sabi dito ni Boss Raymond, then happy birthday sa The Ancient One. Yun, Ancient One. Ano pa? Ano to? Wait lang, naghahanap po. Ayun. Ito pa, si Banyagang Native. Mike is the real life
Savage!
DC character called Vandal Savage. Si Mike na yung real life. Immortal
na caveman!
Vandal Savage. Eto pa, from Sir Banyagang Native, second hand yung car ni Mike, first owner was some guy called friend.
Yabadabadudi!
Yabadabadu!
Doon galing yung pinakaunang masahista ni Mike, yung uga-buga. Ayan. Ito, sabi ni Jonas. Sabi ni Jonas, Sir Mike is so old when God said, let there be light, he turned on the switch. Yun, si Mike na ilaw ng sun.
Putang ina.
Ayun, yung totoo nasa Last Supper, si Kapitan naharangan lang ni Judas sa image. Love you, Cap. Love you, Cap. Ito pa. Ano pa dito? Ito. Lee Charles Zelena, naalala ko yung stream mo noon, Summertime Saga, Boost.
Yun.
Hindi ko to roast.
Roast ni Mike. Yung roast ni Lee, next season pa. Ayan. Pero ito na. Agad natin dito, sino ang susunod na roaster natin for tonight?
Yeah!
And it's Chino. Chino will be our next roaster for tonight. Chino, take the stage, brother.
Alright, maraming salamat mga kaibigan at welcome, no? Welcome sa roast ni Mike. Ato, katulad ni Lee, hindi ko masyado napagandaan to. Wala akong sinulat. Hindi ako nagbura. Kasi kanina, naghahanap ako talaga ng mga personal na, hindi nga jokes kasi talaga personal na balat Gusto ko talaga gusto ko yung mapayak si Mike. Pero, syempre, gusto ko rin mag-hello sa mga co-roasters natin. Of course, nandiyan si Lee, fresh from Dubai. Palakpakan mga kaibigan! Palakpakan tayo para kay Lee, no? Grabe, alam mo guys, si Lee, ang galing nito sa business. Siguro sa amin lahat, ito na pinakamagaling sa business. Siguro, from antiques to toys, lahat halos siguro nagawa na lahat yan. And grabe, yung ginagawa niya sa swap meet, ibang klase talaga. Probably he and his partners talaga, leaps and bounds ang ginawa sa swap meet para maging successful. Literal, leaps and bounds. Dati kasi, tawag sa kanya nun, tipaklong. High jump siya dati. So, yung payat niya, para siya tipaklong. Tipaklong talaga siya And of course, Jazz, the main man, Jazz, thank you. Maraming salamat for hosting. Thank you for organizing this. I guess, kung hindi nyo alam, guys, out of all of us here, si Mike and si Jazz probably would be the most famous of us all. Kilala si Jazz yan. Grabe talaga sa Dota 2. Kilala as the Rap God. Ganon si Jazz. Pero, wala. So, ito lang, Jazz, wala akong masabi sa'yo. Kasi, ibang klase yung storya mo Isipin mo, maraming kinakwento si story nung bata. From bottom, I started from the bottom, now we're here, ang storya niyan. Ganyan si Jazz. No, from Jensen literal, no. Ang problema kasi, Jazz, anong pakiramdam kasing laki mo pa rin si Papa Smurf? Isa sa mga paborito kong tao, si Trix. Trix would be the resident gaming genius. Iba-iba grabe yung experience niyan with different games from the mainstream ones to the obscure. At sa totoo lang, katulad ni Jazz, hindi ko pinagandaan to kasi di ko alam kung nasaan ka eh. Pero wala ka lagi eh. Pero sa totoo lang, Trix ha, minsan naman, labas ka naman minsan, takbo-takbo ka sa bukid, di ba? Pakipaglaro ka sa mga hayop ka minsan. Kaya laging nandyan. Takbo-takbo din sa bukid. Diba? Pero, I mean, I'd like to start, of course, I'd like to start off saying, putang ina mo, Mike! Mahal na mahal ka namin. Pero, alam mo, minsan, marami akong gustong tanungin din sa'yo. Nagtataka din kami lahat. Ano pag-uusapan namin to? Actually, kanina, nag-usap-usap kami. Inisip namin, bakit nga ba ganun si Mike? Hindi ko rin maintindihan. Isipin mo, Mike, lagi ka namin niloloko nang matanda ka na. Bakit? Sa totoo lang, si Mike hindi naman ganun katanda yan. Hindi. Grabe, 42? Tama ba? 42? 42, 43, 44, 45, 60? No, 44. 44 lang si Mike, guys. Putya, batang-bata pa yon, batang-bata pa. Siguro sa itsura, mga matanda. Pero sa utak, bata pa yan. Parang 9 years old, isip bata yan eh. Diba? Parang 9 years old yan eh. Pero hindi, seryoso, Mike would probably be the oldest of us. The oldest. And, siya, nag-aaral pala kami nila si Jazz. Malamang si Jazz, nasa tamod pa yan ng tatay niya. Or si Trix nag-aaral pa, no? Pero nasa workforce na rin yan. Pati, nalala ko nung time, Mike, na nag-usap tayo when you started to do your content creation. Nalala ko yun. And I was very, very proud of you. Grabe yung tapang mo that you followed through dun sa passion mo. Isipin mo, from failing at BPO to eventually failing again as a content creator. Naman talaga yung achievement mo, brother. Kasi talaga, failure. Double positive, Mike. Double negative equals positive, Mike. Ganun talagang math eh. Math yun eh. Galing sa math nito ni Mike eh. Pero hindi. Kung di dahil sa content creation mo, Kapa. Kung di dahil sa content creation, hindi ka makikilala. Kasi, sabi ko nga kanina, di ba? Ikaw yung isa sa mga pinakilala sa amin. And dahil sa content creation mo, you're able to secure a contract with Converge as their brand ambassador. Di ba? Grabe. Ibang klase talaga. At dahil dyan, natutulungan mo kami. Lahat mga kaibigan natutulungan mo pag nahihirapan kami sa internet. So basically, you're a glorified customer service personnel. Diba? Sana, sinuweldohan ka na lang. Uy, with perks libre yung internet mo, grabe Sana kami rin. Pangina, ayusin mo na yun, Mike. Ang bagal! Ayusin mo yung internet namin, Kap. Putang ina. Pero, Mike, again, katulad yung sinabi ko, Mike is, dahil sa content creation niya, he's also known. Well-known si Mike. And probably he is one of the most friendliest. No? Dahil sa screen clear niya, Mr. Congeniality nga yan si Kap. For him, para sa kanya, lahat na nakikilala niya, lahat yung mga kaibigan niya. Tignan mo sa Facebook. Kahit hindi niya kilala, kahit mga sikat, nag-reply yan, magko-comment yan, parang friends sila, parang sobrang tropa sila, tangina ka, tigil mo na yan, di kayo tropa. Uy, sabi naman, makapag-comment ka, i-ink ka, alam mo kung kayo. Yun. Pero true friend ko daw yan si Mike eh. Tangina, ink ka, kababata. Pero seriously, Mike is one of the most loyal and kindest friend that I know. Always there for you when you need to. So, totoo lang, pag tumatawag ako sa kanya, ang unang-unang banat sa akin. Oh, what's wrong? Tangina, what happened? Tangina, parang may gusto kang mangyari sa akin, Kap. Gusto ko mamatay. Relax lang tayo. Pero hindi, remember, kasi nung naalala ko yun nung last time kitang tinawagan ng gano'n, tapos ginanon mo ako. That was, I guess, the first time na nag-usap ulit tayo nung nawala yung kaibigan natin, si BJ. If you remember, nabanggit nga ni Jazz si BJ kanina, no? And totoo yan, sobrang naging inspirasyon si BJ kay Mike. He was able to really hone him. Hinulma siya at pinatibay ng panahon ng dinosaur. Pero, Mike, naalala mo ba nung pumunta tayo doon kila BJ? Ang aga nun, tayong tatlo, nag-uusap tayo. sabi ni BJ, may pag-uusapan tayo importante. Inakala mo ba na ikaw yung pag-uusapan natin? Ang ina, durog ka nun, Mike. Kala ko talaga iiyak ka, Mike, sa totoo lang. Kala ko iiyak ka. Pero, I mean, lahat ng sinabi namin sa'yo, tinanggap mo lahat. And similar to how you're facing everything that's happened to you, and that's happening to you, I guess, for me, you're one of the strongest people I know. Isa ka sa pinakamatapang na nilalang na nakilala ko sa balat ng lupa. Outside of the industry, we've been friends for how many years? I guess even longer than Lee, no? Kami dalawa ni Lee matagal na rin, pero tayo mas matagal. Pero I hope that you never change. The love that you feel for your friends, yung friendliness mo, the drive that you feel for your passion. I hope tuloy-tuloy yun. Never change, pare. And ako, sasabihin ko sa iyo to that I will always be here to support you. I'll always be here as a brother. And whenever you fall, call on me, and I will help you up whenever you need. I love you, Mike. I love you, brother. Panghabang buhay to. Kap. Putang ina mo!
Wait, Coach. Just wanna ask a question, no? Kasi diba sabi mo kanina, kinausap niyo siya ni BJ. So technically, ni-roast niyo siya nung time na yon. So pangalawang roast niya na to.
Di niya alam yun, pero ni-roast namin si Mike.
I actually remember what that was about. So I was there.
Oh, nandoon sa bahay, sa loob.
So basically, I know what was going to happen, and when they did come to the house, ang feeling ko, akyat ako parang may akyat ako, mag-uusap lang kami. Parang anong mangyayari dito? Bakit mo ako pinapaakyat?
Hindi kami pumasok sa bahay niyo, sa labas ako.
Ang feeling ng bata na, no? Akyat ka muna.
Hindi na, papuloy na. Pwede.
Ganun din.
Ayun. So thank you so much, Chino. And again, I would like to acknowledge viewers. Thank you so much for watching. Again, kung may roast kayo tungkol kay Mike, if you're friends with Mike, you've been with him, or you have a history with Mike na gusto nyo i-share, just comment it down. No? Babasahin namin yan lahat. Alright? So, tingnan natin. Next roaster. It's Rene and Trickster na lang natitira dito. Alright. Rene has to be.
Oh boy!
Has to be Rene. Ayan. So, prepare na yung video ni Rene. May dila po. Ayan. Check ko lang kung naririnig nyo. Wala?
No, wala audio.
Share mo muna audio.
Share ko ulit. Right. Share screen.
Habang inaantay natin yan, guys, i-share ko lang additional roast, no? Kaya, nalimutan ko sabihin kasi nasa next page pala. Nalimutan ko may isa pang page, eh. Alam nyo, guys, kung bakit tuwan-tuwa yung mga addict sa Pinas. Si Mike talaga yung una naka-invento ng apoy. Kaya yung mga nagpo-foil dyan, tuwan-tuwa. Tsaka si Mike din pala yung standard bearer ng mga spakol ngayon. Tangina kasi, nung pagpasok niya ng spakol, nakita niya yung aquarium, putang ina, may gulang. Nasaan yung bungal? Gusto ko kasi swabe yung pagkatsupa sa akin.
Oy, Mike, maraming salamat, ha? Kasi dahil kay Mike, hindi magkakaroon ng Adonis Caloocan. Sideline. Hindi magawa ako sideline.
Yeah. Alright, let's do this. Ayan, rinig ba?
Rinig.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's the roast of Mike Quintana. And I know I keep mentioning this to people. I am supposedly on break. I wasn't supposed to come back until the end of the year. But, I mean, this is a big deal. This is the first time this is happening. This roast is actually very different from all of the other roasts in history, because all of the other roasts in history, usually the subject is someone that's actually successful, but anyone that's enough. So we had to settle with Mike.
Jesus Christ!
I'm not really, again, I was on break. I only found out about the roast because I don't read the emails. I only found out about the roast a few hours ago. So like I got on my little notepad thing, and after working out, I decided like maybe I'll write a few jokes, and do my part as part of Mike's little circle of friends here. Um, so yeah, it's a little, it's also a different experience for me because one, I don't particularly do roasts. It's not something I do normally. I don't think it's not like part of my personality. Two, I don't do this shit for free. So there's that. And yeah, man, like three, I don't know. One of the reasons why I don't do roasts is that, like, I mean, who am I? Who am I to roast people? I mean, I have this disgusting growth on my hand. Anyone who's seen me in person like has freaked out about it. So I don't know if I should go around, insulting people. But since we're talking about disgusting growths, let's for a few moments. All right, Mike and I, surprisingly, Mike and I get along very, very well. I'm surprised by this because he and I think, and I think the rest of the guys can attest to this. He and I are very different people. I think we're the exact opposite. Everything that he is, I can say that I'm not. Like I'm not a hardworking guy per se, like Mike. I'm not a sociable guy, definitely, because he's very friendly. I'm not a massive pervert like Mike is. So there's a lot of differences there, core differences. You see, Mike is actually like what, a couple of years older than me. Mike is he's someone who has the age of someone who needs regular prostate exams, and he has the personality of someone who enjoys regular prostate exams. Like he like, for us it's a checkup, it's a visit to the doctor. For him, that's just extra service. Parang up. Tihaya na kayo, sir. Oh yeah, fucking A. Yeah. So Mike he's living the dream, like he's living the dream. He's one of the, as you all know, he's one of the influencers for Converge, which is great, I guess. I mean, it's great for him because again, he's living the dream. He gets paid to spend his time with people half his age wearing similar matching outfits, making nonsensical noises. So most people have to pay for that. But no, man, Mike is there, like in his fucking, yeah, what's happening, boys and girls? Yeah. This guy. So, it's like again, it's. I'm not gonna do a lot of age jokes because admittedly, that's low hanging fruit. I don't like that. Mike is a sensitive, he's in his 40s. It's a sensitive time for him. He doesn't have to worry about midlife crises though, because the way I see it, Mike has been having his midlife crisis since he was 19. So it's all good. But he does, like, first time I met him, he just gave me this impression. He looks like every single dad in every single Filipino teenage movie or TV show from the 90s. You know the type, the ones that are constantly disappointed that Mark Anthony Fernandez. That's him. That's him. Like, disappointed. Ano bang gagawin ko? Nakahiya ako sa pangalan ng pamilya natin. That's fucking him. Give him a suit. That's him. Actually, we have some posters when he's wearing a suit. He looks like a fat Jojo A. It's okay if you don't. Mike does, and that's all that matters. He's a very entertaining guy, Mike. I mean, also Jojo A, but mostly Mike. He also reminds me of a Batman villain. He reminds me of the Riddler. because based on what I hear, he's riddled with STDs.
Oh, crap. Holy
Yeah.
shit.
I think that's all I have on such short notice. I wrote these jokes in like fucking for like 3 minutes, and I don't know. I didn't want to half-ass it, but I didn't want to miss this chance. But yeah, Mike, I hope you enjoy your day. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Yeah, I mean, you're an asset. You're more than an asset to the group.
You're
I mean, to those who's watching and you don't know, Mike made his name several years ago by streaming himself playing a shitty video game in a shitty manner. With people commenting constantly on how shit he is. And it's nice that he's able to spread that legacy onto G3. So keep up the shitty work, Mike. Happy birthday.
Okay.
How the fuck do I top that?
And, then,
Not fair. Jesus
and, then,
Christ.
and that's something Rene did for free. Ano na lang kaya pag binayaran natin siya? Di ba?
Jesus Christ.
Rene,
This is-
babayaran ka namin ng ganito. You roast
is like-
Mike.
Yeah, this is like Batman without prep time. Paano ka kung may prep time
May
siya?
prep Rene. Oh my God. All right. But yeah, thank you so much, Rene. Wherever you are, keep up the good work. Keep being you, and I hope you succeed. No, in what you're. Sana makasama ka na namin. Miss ka na daw ni Len. Ayan, nasabi niya dito, nakaka-miss ka. Rene
No time
Cruz
magkanor.
Jr. Oo, ayan.
Pati ayusin natin yung Binondo. I'm talking to Rene. Man.
Mm.
Ayusin natin yung Binondo para sama-sama tayo ulit. That's going to be our first meetup, I guess. I don't know. Di ko alam kung first, pero definitely mag-Binondo tayo.
Ayan.
Akala ko
Pero,
aayusin natin yung Binondo as in yung Binondo mismo.
ayusin yung Binondo.
Gawin nating restoration project.
Crime fighters.
Putang ina talaga, minsan talaga yung pagiging matalino nasa libro lang eh.
Pero ito, may sinasabi si Squall. Sabi niya about kay Mike, one of the greatest mentor ko yan si Cap, kala nyo. Caveman style, pero effective mentoring. Squall, I would like to ask you to elaborate on the caveman style. Kasi nung pagkabasa ko nung caveman style, paano ba to? I-edit mo yung video sa cave walls. Or gawa ka ng stone tablet, doon mo i-edit yung
Kala ko sexual position yun.
Akala ko din. Akala ko nagjajakhamiran kayo pagka nag-i-edit.
Uga! Ganun.
Squad, jajakhammer muna kita. Para matuto ka.
That's a lot dirtier than what I was thinking. I was thinking more like, like he was teaching him like he was my tour. Here, club.
club. Edit
Oh.
video.
Show
Edit
your
video. Deadline today. Ganon.
Do this to save time.
Thank you so much, Rene. But then, last but not least, syempre, our last roaster for tonight, Trickster. The floor is yours.
Okay. Welcome everyone. Good evening. I actually don't know how to roast people, but I guess I could always ad lib. I haven't actually like Notch and General Tuna. I haven't really prepared such one-liners for all of you. I guess we have Lee here, our resident athlete, and who is actually championing the heat. Habang kami ay dito na nagliliyab sa init ng Pilipinas, siya sanay na sa init sa Dubai. Roast. Oo.
Literal
na roast.
Oo. Kami, wala, roasted na kami talaga dito. As for General, yeah, welcome. Like, you actually have much more in common with Mike when you think about it. You're both relics of a bygone era. Like, the era of esports, like
both failures.
however,
No,
at least both of you are still trying to climb up to be relevant. Astronaut,
Low-key ang puta.
I don't know what to say to Notch. Like, I don't know. Since he's the big boss man
Mabait siya,
of the group right now, I guess he also would look like big boss man himself of the WWF fame. You know?
Ako talaga yun.
He has the he has the build, and so we man, that's not fair. Rene, like I'm the bookender to Rene. That's I don't know how to follow up on that.
It's fate. It's fate.
It's fate. It's the roulette decides.
Yeah. Although I suppose my roast is a bit more tame compared to what the others have prepared. Since mine is just more like my experience with Cap. Captain Mike has been a good friend to us and has shown he'll be there at the drop of the hat should you ask of anything of him. This is not a lie. He would literally drive to your home in the middle of the night and accidentally dox you while as he just arrives. Like he will, like as you're just doing your work, he'll just appear. Hey, I'm here, and then post your entire address. Like
Here, may picture pa. May number pa ng bahay.
eto address nila dito sila nakatira. And thanks to that, it has led me to notice his odd quirks in the time I spent with him. Unlike me, as Notch has pointed out earlier, Old Cap is a well-traveled man. He has been going everywhere from events, from Cebu, every location where there's a nice event. He even has been he knows the locations. I won't be surprised that he'd been to Bermuda and he knows how to not get lost. He will
He has the answers.
he asked the answers.
Hindi
Siya lang
nakabalik.
siya lang naka escape sa Bermuda Triangle na hindi na jet lag, hindi siya nawala Jumanji style.
Jumanji.
But when traveling with him, he'd always tell you about all the places he'd take you to. Like para joyride. Habang joyride, sabi niya, talaga, I know this place. I know you will enjoy this place. But something I've noticed every time I would ride with him, all these places he would tell me, 9 times out of 10, the places he talks about and wants to show you are of the unscrupulous kind.
Alam mo na kung ano
Alam mo,
yun.
alam mo, pag nakakuha ako ng pag nakuha kita like, from Tita Judy, idadala kita sa Pegasus. Ito.
Pamina.
in
Tita
that
Judy,
point, in that tone and voice.
Tita Judy,
Like, even as something as innocuous as a bibingka stand. Like like remember last time we went out just like wala lang trip lang namin. Food trip. We went to a bibingka stand. He was hyping this up. Masarap. And it's only 60 pesos. So yeah. Oh, he knows about this. So we went there at night. When you went there, it's like parang okay, there's no witnesses to be had. Anything can happen while I eat my bibingka in peace. Pero masarap. Masarap
Fear of
yung
getting
bibingka na.
raped. Tanginang yan.
Ang dilim eh. Doon niya alam. Doon niya alam kung saan yung bibingka stand. Doon lang. I'm sure siya ang nagturo kung saan yung mga kill spots ni Jack the Ripper. He knows all the alleyways kung saan. The most popular alleyways where no one will notice. Doon ka. Diba? Of course, we also know that Cap is a people person. Like every time we go to event, always talking to someone. Like as we go around our events, he would just leave you alone for some reason and then just go talk to some people. Like a parent suddenly meeting their no, and forgetting their child, and then the child just roams around. So yeah, he's well connected with people of diverse fields, but how do we know it doesn't go deeper? Like if we ever take him up on his offer not to go to his recommendations na places, how do we know, how do we not know na the same will happen kung pumunta tayo doon with him? Like pumunta tayo Adonis, nandito ka na. Like ano, the
Beso kay
usual?
Mama San.
May usual ba or may sarili siyang office doon sa ilalim ng ano?
May dungeon.
Your
Malay-
usual, sir?
Malay mo may ibang business 'yan, 'di ba? So ang daming connection niya. So I wouldn't be surprised kung meron din siyang side business na hindi natin alam.
Banyak!
Ang inang yan.
So another quirk that I would that I have noticed with Cap is, I'm pretty sure Renal Tuna can corroborate with this, is shopping with the good captain. Like it may or may not work in your wallet's favor shopping with Captain Mike, because if you see something that catches your eye, lalapit siya sa'yo. Bilhin mo na. Meron mo na. Like he would whispered honey words to you, like, alam mo may pera ka naman eh.
May bulong pa, yung bulong.
May bulong pa. It's like
Yeah.
Fist of the North Star with Jaggy Pelican. Kunin mo na. Alam mo, hindi niya kaya yan. Pero ikaw, kaya mo.
Lakas ka.
Alam mo, tama ako, di ba? and then, like, this is not restricted to your toys or your tech, right? This extends to food.
Food.
Oo. Even my own niece has been victim to this. Like when he was picking her up from school, like she took her to a burger place and decided, gusto mo try yun, burger? Masarap yan. I can vouch for it. And since my niece is tired and hungry from school, yeah, why not? And then he would always like, yan, tama. And he will clap while laughing manic. Tama yan. Oh.
Businesses niya yun.
Oo. And,
May cup
and
siya dun.
you're just left there thinking, tama ba yung ginawa ko? Tapos, oo. Alam mo,
Ilang
tama.
beses na bubutol yan.
Oo. Kahit pagkain,
Nung magkasama kami sa Green Hills, ginanyan din niya ako eh.
Ako rin.
May nakita ko, bilhin mo na. Minsan lang yan.
Hindi ka na ng PS5.
May pera ka naman.
Putang ina mo, Mike.
Ang ina na
Okay.
45k ako, isang bilihan. Puki ng ina ko yan.
One last quirk I would notice about him is, and this is a personal bit for me, is how well versed he is in the art of conversation. Like he would like in every encounter you wouldn't expect anything to come out of his mouth, from greetings to general statements or just casual small talk. Like for greeting, you're just of course you would meet at like 8 a.m. say the bit with Fisher Paul, right? So you're just there, you haven't had your morning coffee yet, or you're still groggy. Would just come up behind you and with an alarmed state of voice, "Kumusta ka na? Okay ka lang ba?" Like, I haven't done anything yet. Like, are you? I'm worried for myself. Anong narinig mo na ano nangyari sa akin? Mamamatay na ba ako? Bakit ganyan ang tono mo? And another, like, the weird part is the one where car talks. He would always do car talks with me. when he would pick us up or whatever. For some reason, he would start recording. Like it's like he's gathering evidence for us.
Sex capades yun.
Akala ko nung una nang ginawa niya, akala ko ubaran niya ako ng brief ang putang ina.
As soon as I buckled
Hindi
my
na ito nagre-record.
as soon as I buckled my seatbelt and he started going, he reached out for his phone and started recording. Something interesting might pop up, he says. And then yes, of course, we would talk about our meetings for G3. And he bookends it with, all right, we finished doing that. What did he say again? I leave you to play with yourself in a sultry and husky and serious
leave-
tone.
Ganun.
I leave you to play with yourself.
Naturally,
and
malibog magsalita eh.
Anything he says can turn raunchy for some reason.
Lahat na sabihin niya eh. Mainit yung sabaw na nilaga.
Yeah, true. It has to be like, pero pag ibang tao yung nagsabi, wala ka namang iisipin.
Oo, wala kang iisipin eh.
Pag siya nagsabi, putang ina, nakakantating ko ba yung nilaga? Tangin ang tao.
Bilit, sige lang ha. Yoyosi lang ako sa labas.
Despite that, he's still human, and he would have some flub ups, like asking if I'm going to stream 30 seconds right after I declared I'm going to stream in the group chat. Like, I just told you I'm going to stream, right? Did we forget already? I know people. For all we know, it could have been a facade to lull us in a false sense of security. Maybe he could be cooking something up there. We don't know what. I'm sure after all this roast business is done, he's going to reveal a majestic edit of our own foolish edits. Like after this,
For sure.
then he finally gets to defend himself. May edit na nakahanda yan. May mga picture na
Lugi
nakuha niya.
tayo, tangina.
Oo. No. But despite all that, all the eccentricities of Captain Mike, I do enjoy his company whenever I meet up with him. Like, all the weird shit that he says and reacts to, despite being such a normal thing that people do. I just enjoy his enthusiasm on things. What we talk about. He's a fun guy to talk to, and I wouldn't trade that for anything in the world. So, yeah.
Yun. Thank you
Well
so
played.
much, Trickster. Ayan. And ako nawala na naman si Notch. But, again, totoo yun. Totoo yung mga pinagsasabi ni Trickster. Buti nga sa inyo, di ba? Like, pagkain, ganun yung budol ni Mike. Imagine
Sa'yo,
yung
aircon.
akin. Hindi. Kotse at kondo, men. Yung budol sa akin. Putik yan. Ako, grabe naman.
So, kaya nga naging kaya nga siya yung naging influencer ng Converge. Putang ina, kahit pangit na yung internet, mapapaniwala ka pa din yan na maganda yan. Antay mo lang mga 5 minutes, may maintenance lang kasi guys eh. Kalma ka lang. Putang ina, ayos yan, kalma ka lang.
I got you. Parang ganun.
I got
Gusto mo ng TV? Eto, 4K. 4K?
50,000.
50,000.
Gaganon.
Oh, ito mura lang yan.
Kaya mo yan. Kaya
Kaya
mo
yan.
yan.
Alam ko may pera ka dyan eh.
Ano dami ka namang pera, bili mo na yan. Ganda yan, ganda Iisa lang yan dyan sa display,
Kunin mo na.
Kahit ayoko na, ako na yung lumalayo, putang ina pag naririnig mo yun, Tapos maganda kasi doon, nagre-reverb siya eh. Yung malayo na siya sa'yo, putang naririnig mo pa din. Putang ina, Mike. Yun ba yung
Yung para, di ba para hypnotic? Di ba yung para pag nagsasabi siya
Oo.
hypnotic? Kaya kapag
The funny part
nasa-
is,
Oo.
the funny part is, kala mo malapit siya sa'yo. Like he's like 10 feet away pero naririnig mo pa rin siya. Oo.
Tang inang yan.
Feeling yung
Alien
gano'n din yung ano niya, yung secret niya. Di ba? Kung nasa massage parlor siya, di ba? Tapos, ang niya yung masahista, magkano ES? 10K, sir eh. 10K? 1K lang yung meron ako dito eh. Sige na. Pera din yan. Tapos papayag yung babae. Feeling ko ganun yun eh, no? Budol. Oo, 1K lang kaya ko eh. Sige na. Sige na nga, sir. Ikaw talaga eh. Kamukha mo naman si Aga Mulak eh. But then, ladies and gentlemen, again, you've heard it all from our panel. You heard it all from me, from Lee, from Notch, from Rene, and of course from Trickster. And syempre sa chats natin, guys, again, kung meron pang, kung may roast pa kayo dyan na nakatago, no, or nakalista, send it all kasi babasahin namin yan. But, again, to gloriously end this roast episode of G3, Mike, the floor is yours, brother.
Lahat kami mag-mute, Mike, para hindi makasabi putang ina mo.
Tignan mo, tangkinang yan. 5 years na tayo magkakasama, hindi pa din niya alam tanggalin yung mute pag magsasalita siya.
Dali lang, sandali lang. Roast to ang end maganda yung ano dito eh. Pero give me a second lang.
Ang tagal mo rin talaga magsalita eh. Putang ina.
Naghahanap ng pamalo yan. May lipat.
Processing pa rin eh.
May arnis na dadalhin yan.
May arnis.
Umalis din si Lee.
Magkikita yung dalawa yan.
Oh,
Mike nasa Dubai.
Surprise
Tuntukan.
pala nasa Dubai.
Tuntukan.
Ay, kala ko naman. Ba yan?
Sorry. Ano yan? Akala ko may bag siya eh.
Ilabas niya yung titi niya. Ilabas niya yung titi niya. Titi ni Mike nakalabas.
Nung sabay kayo lumabas, Lee, akala ko magkikita kayong dalawa.
Suntukan.
Long distance chupahan.
Putang yabang. Putang nilabas yung boom.
Patay.
Ibayin natin to.
Shit!
Yes!
Uy,
Yes!
eto yun,
Sabi ko
I
na
have to say, first time na ginamit ni Mike yung boom mic na yan na maayos ang sound.
Tama.
That's right.
At hindi niya
That's
ginamit
right,
para
that's right.
chupain.
Sige, paano ba to?
May edit nga. Sabi
Test
na nga
1,
ako, may
2,
edit.
3. Test 1, 2, 3. Okay. So, first off, maraming salamat sa
Okay,
mga
thank you very
tropa ko
much
sa
guys.
G3.
This is our thank you.
Tapos, bibigyan lang natin ng pagkakataon na pasalamatan itong mga tropa ko. Siyempre, si Trickster. Trickster, alam naman natin dalawa na hindi ka talaga lumalabas ng bahay. Sa sobrang hindi mo paglabas ng bahay, yung mga butiki na pumapasok sa kwarto mo, ikaw na ang hinahatak lumabas. Dapat ganun yun, no? Dapat ganun ang paglabas sa'yo dito eh. Di ko nga alam kung sino yung maingay minsan eh. Minsan si Trickster ba, yung mga aso dun sa labas eh. Pero feeling ko kaya maingay mga aso na impluwensya na lang yun ni Trickster. Siyempre, hindi ko makakalimutan tong General Tuno. Layong kasama to eh. Di ko alam kung, alam mo, minsan yung bigote niya mukhang peke talaga eh. Kasi never ko nang nakitang nawala yan at one point. Di ko na nakitang nawala yan. Parang sinulatan na lang yan ng pentel pen.
Hindi din lumalago. Putang ina.
Diba? Yung ano niya, tingnan mo, yung mga picture niya nung 1997, nakala mo yung bata pa siya noon, high school pa lang ata siya. Nung gano'n na yung bigote niya hanggang ngayon, di nagbago.
Tang inang yan.
Ang nagbago na lang sa buhay niya, yung pagpasok ng kanyang butihing may bahay si Lala. Yan na yung pinaka the best na ano. Pero hindi pa rin nagbabago yung bigote niya. Wala talaga akong magagawa dun. Siyempre, sino ba naman ang hindi makakalimot dito kay Notch? Minsan, pag magkasama kami ni Notch, siya yung mukhang seryoso. Siya yung mukhang seryoso sa amin dalawa, pero siya yung mas maingay sa amin dalawa. ako yung tahimik dun eh. I-deny mo man o hindi. Tsaka kahit anong subok ni Notch dun sa pag-i-imitate niya ng bigote ni Jazz. Pang-inchik lang talaga yung bigote mo na hindi na magbabago yan, Brad.
Balahibong pusa.
Lipis eh.
Bobo. Ano ito sasabihin ni Mike pagkasama ko si Jazz o kaya kasama ko si Chino? Puta na imagine ko nagchuchupahan kayo. Putang ina yung the way niya sabihin. Ano sabihin pagkasama ko si Chino?
Siyempre. Sino ba naman ang hindi makakalimot sa tropa nating si Lee?
Yan.
No one can talk shit about Lee except for me. Kasi alam ni Lia na kahit anong tapang yan, lahat na ata ng minura na, pati ako, minura na niya, kahit sino, minura na niya. Kahit yung mga grupo dyan na muntik na kami ma-cancel. Pero, tingnan niyo yung mukha nila. Dapat hindi Lee ang pangalan niya. Dapat ang pangalan ni Lee, Timmy.
Timmy, ang puta.
Oo, T-I-M-Y.
Okay. Kulang
Short for tangin ng mukha yan. But anyway.
Tangin ng mukha yan.
So,
Saka gagong puta.
I didn't expect that.
Bago yun ah. Benta nun, tangina. Timmy.
Bago yun!
Bago yan ah. Gusto ko yun ah. Kaya magamit nga yan.
first off, syempre, natuwa rin ako sa sarili kong joke. Pero, yung budol na yan, minsan pag binubulungan ko yung si Trickster. Kasi sino ba naman na hindi bubudol? Ano ba? Si Trickster ba pag tinignan mo, tagal niyang tignan, hindi yung gumagalaw. Kala mo, nag-pause eh. Titignan to sa isang chef ng Dita Blitz na gano'n, no? Kaya doon sa Glorious Keyboard, nakatayo lang yun doon, di gagalaw yun. Kaya siyempre, bubulungan mo na, baka gumalaw. Diba? Tapos, yung general nun, kaya ko siya binubudol nun, kasi nasusobrang dami ng pera niya, yung pera ni Lee, tax lang ni Jazz yun.
Baliktad, boy!
I believe that.
Baliktad, man!
Niwala ako.
Nag-apartment nga lang kami, di ba?
Pero hindi ko mabubudol si Not. Kasi
Wala akong pera.
para kami walang pera eh. Saka ano ang mabubudol mo sa walang pera? At saka kaya ko lang si Lee kasi yung akala mo si Lee, for the record, ang tapang yan. Sinabi niya, no. Pag sinabi niyan, wala akong o ano sasabihin ko, that's the final word. Pero nung tinignan niya yung, for the record, nung tinignan niya yung toys dun sa Green Hills, katabi ko siya nun. Tinanong niya yung price. Tinanong niya dun sa alley yung price. Sinabi niya, blank. Huminto si Lee nun. So, syempre, at na lang, kumbaga si Lee kasi yung tipong isang daliri mo na lang natulak na gano'n, lalaglag na sa bangin yan.
Hali pa rin si Lee.
Kaya nung sinabi ko kay Lee na, kunin mo na yan. Baka mawala pa. Out of nowhere, parang yung mata ni Lee, hindi mo na makita gumagalaw. Yung kamay niya gumagalaw na sa bulsang gano'n. Naglabas na kaagad ng pera. Gano'n lang siya. The roasting session is a very good exercise to tell everyone yung mga minor flaws, mga flaws, major, minor, minsan out of this world. And this yung kung ikaw yung tipo ng tao na hindi ka sanay ma-roast, medyo pipi kong kakagad. Maano kakagad. Siyempre, dadamdamin mo yung iba doon, di ba? Kaya gagamitin ko yung opportunity na to with this microphone to say yun. Maraming salamat sa mga tropa ko sa G3. You guys have been amazing and creative. Kay Trickster, si Trickster kasi yung gusto ko na sana ganun din ako, hindi na lalabas ng bahay. Play video games all day. Ganyan.
Sana.
Oo, di ba? Sana all, di ba? Si Jazz, sana yung talino ni Jazz. Grabe yung talino ni Jazz. So, sobrang talino niya. Bigla na lang mapapagkamalan mong he's older and I'm younger. Kasi ang dami kang matututunan niya. Kaylee, he teaches you to be inspired. Minura na lahat ng tao sa gobyerno. Pero from where he's at, he arranges flowers for a living, pero kita mo niya. Kita mo yung mga laruan niya doon sa likod. Binlearn na parang Japanese para lang hindi malaman.
Bading!
Tangina!
Oh.
Nag-ayos ng bulaklak, bakla!
Bading! Nag-ayos ng bulaklak.
Lang yan.
Tapos si Chino, sana wag niyong i-mistake si Chino. Napagkakamalan niyo lang na masyadong masaya, minsan masyadong galit, pero tangina kung kasing galing ko si Chino mag-basketball. Lahat ng butas pinasok niya. Lahat ng
Tangina mo.
lahat ng ring. Hoopless. Gano'n. Ringless yung mga pasok ni Chino. Kaya gano'n. So, thank you guys. It's a very good exercise. And syempre, pasasalamatan ko na lahat na nanonood dito sa stream na to. It's a very, very enticing roasting session. And I just want to say na I love you all for supporting me and my team. Mga teammates ko yan. Siguro ito pala.
Walang comment kayo rin eh.
Ay, oo nga pala, no? Tangina nung kapre na yun.
Sana pumutok yung bukol sa kamay.
Hindi. Kayo naman, inaasar nyo pa
You do
yung...
not go there, Lee. You do not go there.
I was
Ibenta para kunyari gloves.
Hold on. Tinitira nyo yung... Sasalbahin nyo rin kasi, no? Kasi palibasa, yun yung nakikita ninyo kay Rene, yung pero sinabi niya sa inyo, di ba? Bukol talaga yun. Talagang matagal na yun. Kumbaga, low-hanging fruit sa kanya yun. Ba't di nyo na lang pansinin yung mukha niyang palaka, di ba?
Ang gago!
Tangina mo, hayop.
Gagi. Yung roast na yun yung pinakamatinding roast tonight, and it's not about Mike. Ayoko na.
I just want to say na yung komedyante sa akin.
Miss ka namin, Kermit!
Guys,
ikaw pala yung kinakanta ni Andrew eh. Putang ina ka.
Mga Jolly Crush pala tayo. May tibaklong, may plaka eh.
Ikaw pala yung nasa silong ni Kaka. Tangina mo. Hindi mo naman sinabi.
ikaw muna, guys. Guys,
Sinabi kasi na hindi ako makiingat today.
Tingnan muna si Trickster, guys. Teka lang.
Tubig.
Kalma. Tubig muna, tubig.
Ang hirap. 1
Beer,
year
beer,
bago yung ribat. 1 year
Ah.
bago makakaribat.
Hindi kasi nung sinabi na i-roast ako, sabi ko kailangan pag ni-roast ko rin sila pabalik, kailangan they should remember me by. Ganun. Ako yung naiyak sa sarili kong putre. Thank you sa lahat ng viewers namin. Thank you sa lahat ng followers namin sa mga respective pages namin. G3 will always be G3. So kung susuportahan nyo lang kami dyan, follow nyo lang yung page namin. Kung nasa kabila kayo,
Miguel, sana all.
sarap flavored beer. Yun. So thank you everyone. You enjoy the rest of the weekend. Back to you, Naral.
Pero yun na nga mga kaibigan. Thank you so much, Mike. And are amazing. You are an amazing person. That's why we dedicated this show saktong-sakto sa birthday mo, di ba? And we appreciate the courage that you had. Kasi akala talaga namin ipapagpaliban na natin yung roast episode. And after naging overdue, di ba? After na naging guest natin si Tarantadong Kalbo on our season ender last season, akala ko, sige, wag na lang tayo mag-roast episode kasi, naiintindihan ka din na, like, Mike is going through a lot, di ba, but you're the strongest person, we know. Ang dami mo na pinagdaanan sa buhay, syempre, di ba, with your situation with your mom, with the extinction event with the dinosaurs, Big Bang, di ba, yung Black Plague, Black
Being a
Death.
Jew in Egypt.
Yung
diba?
STD mo.
Jew in Egypt.
Diba, parang,
Sorry, Israelite.
I forgo.
Being a brother to Moses.
just si Ramses, si Mike, ganon.
Binigyan niya ng gonorrhea lahat ng Egyptian kaya nawala eh.
Pero Mike, again, thank you so much for being a brother to us. Hindi namin makakalimutan lahat ng contributions mo.
We love you, Mike. We love you.
We love you so much, brother. And I was amazed na you took it all like a champ, bro. Like, kasi ito si Mike, kilala ko, sobrang madaling mapikon si Mike. Actually, sa mga episodes, di ba? Kapag ginagago natin siya na siya yung host, nawawala tayo sa rhythm.
Sili lang gumagawa nun. Uy, wala ka tayo ginagawa.
Episodes recently, ako pa din. Siya nga yung nag-host, wala ako pa din.
Every time kasi, ikaw yung naalala niya, Lee. Tangina mo kasi.
Wala ako. Isang buwan ako wala. Kayo yung kasama niya. Ako pa din sinisi nyo. Tangina siya yung nag-host sa inyo. Mga gago kayo.
Diba? Nawawala si Mike sa rhythm, di ba? Na parang, ay, okay, ay, sige. Tapos nawawala, dead air tayo.
Okay na, sumbong kita kay Daddy Longlegs si Rene.
Pero Mike, sobrang habay nung mga comeback mo. The Timmy, it was the first time I heard of that joke. Yung si Rene na mukhang palaka, like Mike, like, dude.
That was the most off-key thing I've heard all night.
Diba? Like, it was a very
IG.
simple joke. It was a very simple joke, but it hit everyone. Like, yun yung pinaka-makikita na tonight.
Napaka-out of pocket ang puta.
Pero feeling ko dapat sinave mo yun sa roast ni Rene.
Can I just say, hindi, kasi kailangan may maganda kang comeback eh. Diba? Pero, syempre, may standard na eh. Kailangan taasan natin yung standard na yun. And yung, just for the record, yung team na yun was obviously not mine. Baka sabihin nila sinadya ko para sa kanya yun. Please, don't flatter yourself. Sandali, yun lang. Hindi, sinasabi ko lang. Okay. Sige.
May roast pa din hanggang ngayon.
Hindi,
Si TV, puta. At TV, oh.
But again, before we end and we wrap up this roast episode, I would like to ask our panel if they wanna ask Mike a question about his life, his experiences. Mike, gusto ko rin sagutin mo to ng maayos, sagutin mo ng pinagago, ikaw bahala.
Anong klaseng tanong ba, Jazz? Anong klaseng tanong?
Anything or any random question.
Okay.
Gusto ko lang makita yung ano kasi syempre gusto ko yung mga banat ni Mike and I really want to know if he can do a witty comeback to a stupid question. Diba?
Wow.
So Mike, simulan natin to. Alright. Mike, with your years of experience, no? Paano ba kinakasal yung mga dinosaur nung unang panahon?
Putang inang yan.
Hindi, alam mo, yung mga dinosaur na yan dati, sinasakyan lang namin yan. Kaya kita mo yung mga built nilang ganun. Kaya kami buhatin ng buong barangay yan, lalo na yung mga yung mga dinosaur sinasakyan lang namin. Wala yan sa pero pupukpok lang namin ng bato yan. Na doon. So, hindi namin sila pinapakasal pero sinasama namin sa pamilya namin yan.
Alright, Lee.
Mike, hindi ko pa din maano yung pagka nag-uusap tayo. Minsan kasi yung mga 1-minute conversation natin nagiging 1 oras eh. Ano ba yung pumapasok sa isip mo tuwing magsasalita ka ng kasi tapos kasi ano yung pumapasok mo in between dun sa mga
Blanco. Kasi pag nakikita ko yung mukha mo, parang hindi ko alam kung ano sasabihin ko eh. Minsan kasi mukha ka mabait, minsan mukha ka talagang tarantado. So, alam mo yun, minsan hindi ko alam kung ano sasagot ko. Seryoso ba si Lito? Hindi kasi ganito guys pagpasok kasi yan, si Lee, nandun sa computer, nakaganon, seryosong kausap, diba? Tapos yung mukha niya talaga seryoso. Kaya minsan sasabayin ko yan, bot. Para lang pansinin ako, oy, ganon, diba? Ganon yan eh. Tapos mamaya, pag magkukwento na ako, yung mata niya, bigla na lang ang layo ng tingin. Nakala ko, may tiniting ng message, business. Maya, nakita mo yung mata niya, gumagalaw na ng mabilis na ganon. Puta, nagbabalorant na pala tong hayop. So, hindi ko na alam kung paano ko siya kukwentuhan. So, yun.
Okay. Clear.
Pero may dagdag na katanungan. Ano ba yung continuation ng sentence mo kay Lee? 5 years ago ba? 5 years?
Okay. Alam mo ba? Putang ina, hanggang ngayon alam mo ba pa din eh.
Buti nga, hindi niya
Hindi, alam ko na ata to. Sasabihin ko na kay Lee, alam mo ba? Hindi pa binabalik yung pera kay Chino.
Oh shit! Oh shit!
Wala na yung pera doon.
Wala na. Ganyan yun pala yun.
Ay, Rose na lang ni Chino. Name, Rose ni Chino.
Di pa.
Ay, kala, Rose na eh.
Hindi. Sige.
Notch, ikaw, tanungan ka ba kay Mike?
Ang ina mo, Mike, wala akong utang sa'yo. Ayup. Mike, may tanong ako. Pero ito seryoso tanong. Nung iniwang ka ni Noah, nung umalis siya ng Earth, paano ka nakasurvive? Anong klaseng evolution nangyari sa'yo? Aquaman?
Hindi. Lang ako. Alam mo, yung floating na yan sa dagat, ako nagturo niyan dun sa mga tao eh. Kaya kita mo may laki ng tiyan ko. Yan yung
Hindi yan, papasya ng Mike! Hindi tayo yung nagturo kay Noah! Dove!
Mali ka, Notch. Mali ka
Lumutang
sa
ako.
history mo, Notch. Alam mo ba, si Mike actually yung kasama ni Noah. Hindi mo ba alam yun?
Kasama ni Noah?
Hindi, kasama ni Noah. Kaya nga lahat ng kahayupan na dala niya, ay si Mike yung pinakahayop dun eh.
Okay, pansinin mo. Teka, pansinin mo. Lahat, nung tinanin ni Noah's Ark, nakita mo yung may mga dinosaur dun. Wala, iniiwan, yung mga kalahating hayop, kalahating tao, iniiwan din, sinama dun sa dagat. Pero kita mo, sinama niya ako, di ba?
Kasi doble hayop mo eh, no?
Mas hayop ka pa sa hayop eh.
Doble hayop mo eh.
Alright, Nexter, your question.
I don't know if this is a question or not, but are you trying to emulate my brother whenever you would fucking ghost us after you said you would just come back after 15 minutes?
Ito talaga lagi. Kapag naglalaro kami ng Helldivers.
ng wrong timing.
Every time.
Putang
Every
ina.
time naglalaro ng Helldivers, mga gabi na, di ba? Sabi niya, alright guys, I'll jump out. I'll be back in a few minutes. Tapos, putang ina, di na bumabalik.
Walang notice eh.
Ito true story niyan. Alam niyo mga bata, yung pagka pagdarating na kayo doon sa edad ko, para sinabi ko, sige, ano lang ako, papahinga lang ako. Yung pagpikit ko ng matangga niya ng mga alas 11 ng gabi. Paggising ko kinabukasan na 7 na. So, ganun. Pagpigin niyo na yung
Take a
matanda.
nap after you say
Pero
you're
kahit
going
di mo na mapigilan yung pag-ihit pag-tayo mo.
Hindi, tulog lang akong ganun. Tapos, pagpikit kong ganun, wala na. Uy, umaga na pala.
Yeah,
Di man
you
lang
said
ako
you're
nakapag-sorry.
coming back. Like, no, you said you're coming back. You take a nap when you say after you're coming back.
Yeah, my nap lasted 8 hours. Ganun. So, sorry.
Like,
Yeah.
the experience with that kasi just reminded me of my brother whenever we have our sessions. Like, we would just play fucking Civ or The Forest. Like, balik lang ako, tayo lang ako. And he would
Okay.
fucking come back after 4 hours. I was just there on Discord while waiting for
Kaya nga, can we just, unang-una hindi ko ginagaya si GPJ. For the record po sa mga
Tumatay
dito, for the record po sa mga tao dito, si BJ kasi ganito lang kasimple yung taong yun. I'll be back in 15 minutes.
Tangina nun. Ginawa sa akin niya yan. Di ba nandito ako sa Dubai?
Oh.
Dalawa lang kami sa lobby ng StreamYard. Sabi niya, Senpai, balik ako in 15 minutes. Mayroon lang ako kakausapin. Tangina, di syempre ako si Tangan, nagantay ako. Naglaro muna ang Valorant. Laro ako Valorant. Natapos na yung dalawang match ko. Putangina, nasa na to si BJ? Naka-on pa yung camera. Kaya sabi ko, putangina, ano nangyari dito?
I would like to point out matches in Valorant is like 20 minutes long.
Exactly.
Sinabi sa akin ni BJ yung sekreto niya. Pag ginagawa niya yan, unang gagawin niya, tumatay yan.
Matayan.
Yan.
Tapos niya
Yossi.
magkakapit, mag-yosi yan. Habang ginagawa niya yun, nakalimutan ka na niya.
Grabe naman to. DJ catching sprays.
BJ, we love you, tangina mo.
Roast tayo kay BJ. Roast tayo kay BJ.
Hindi. At least yun, hindi ka binalikan ni BJ kasi probably he's busy with di ba? Isipin mo to, Brad. Kung si BJ, pre, na-miss kita. Kung si BJ siguro naglalaro ka ng Valorant, bigla kang binalikan, bigla ka nalang hinihingahan. Puta, pag dito mahilat ng balahibo mo ni
Alright. Tama na, baka matumba na lang yung mga laruan ni Lee dyan.
BJ, love you.
DJ,
Papasok sa Batman mo.
pero if we can do a BJ roast episode kung papayag sa Atilen, di ba? Kung papayag si Len, we'll do a BJ roast episode. We can really do that. But syempre, out of respect, no, kasi nga baka multuhin kami at matumbay lahat ng laruan namin. We will
He's
hold
welcome
on.
to try. He knows we can sense spirits.
Ano sa akin, tuturang ko siya.
Kapatid pa niya yun, ha?
Pag nagpakita siya sa akin, puta, tuturang ko bigla.
Great episode ng ang saya.
ano yun,
Holy
imaginein mo, no? Magandang gabi G3, the Rose of BJ ka na yun, ganun.
Pwede.
Yeah.
Alright.
Pwede.
So yeah, let's take this home bago pa ma-derail yung usapan natin dito mga kaibigan. Again, thank you so much sa panel. Mike, thank you so much as well. Sa lahat na nagbigay ng roast sa chat, Sir Banyagang Native, sobrang solid yung mga roast mo kay Mike. Thank you. Again, comment or sabihan nyo kami, DM the page kung sino yung gusto yung ma-roast sunod. Okay? Pero pag walang nag-DM si Lee, kasi nag-volunteer si Lee na siya daw sunod na i-roast.
Nag-volunteer ako? Puta, parang hindi ko alam yun, ha?
Nag-volunteer ka kahapon. Nag-volunteer ka na ikaw yung i-roast next. Ayan. So again, from the panel, thank you so much. Final words from me. This has been one hell of an episode, guys. Thank you so much. Catch me in my socials at General Tuna 19, TikTok, Facebook, and of course Twitter. Ayan, maraming salamat. Let's move on to the panel. Lee, ikaw. Anything you have to do this weekend? And then final
Timmy,
words.
ako po pala si Timmy.
Oh shit, I just noticed.
hindi muna ako si Palits, ako po si Timmy. Moving forward, Timmy muna po pangalan ko sa G3. Guys, wala akong ibang po-promote ngayon kundi ang G3 Podcast. Please support us. We're working behind the scenes to improve our content and you will get more of this kind of episodes. We're just gonna have fun. We're gonna go back to it. And thank you so much sa grabe. Ang daming nanood this time and we hope you enjoyed the roast of Mike. Such a pleasure. Again, thank you, Captain Mike, for being such a good sport. We love you. Thank you for what you do with all of us in G3. We will never be where we are without you. And thank you so much, guys. Please support G3 Podcast. Malapit na po kaming maglabas ng Patreon dahil naghihirap na po kami. Kailangan na po namin kumita. Mag-donate po kayo sa Patreon namin para may pambayad po kami ng StreamYard at editor, guys. Para mabayaran na po namin si Squall kung sakali.
Tama po.
Alright. Chino.
Gusto ko lang po sabihin ulit na gusto namin bayaran si Squall kaya pengi kaming pera.
Sobrang pulubin putang ina ng pera.
Katulad ni Lee, gusto ko mag-dovetail doon kay Lee na maraming salamat, Cap. You were great in this episode. Ang galing mo. And katulad sinabi namin, marami man tayong usapan. Tayong dalawa, lalo na tayong dalawa, marami tayong pinagdaanan. Pero marami man nangyari sa ating dalawa. Pero you'll always be, dami, check sa may mga 32 times. Pero you'll always be a brother. Alam mo yan. Nandito ako para supportahan ka. And you've always been a support system sa akin. Maraming salamat. Thank you very much, Tanda. And again, marami akong utang sa life period. Putang ina talaga. Pero ayoko na muna i-promote yun kasi tutuloy na namin yan. Pero, guys, maraming salamat in supporting G3. Katulad ng sinabi ni Lee, we are working in the back end to really create something for you. You'll see a lot of changes in the coming months, coming episodes. So, sana supportan nyo kami and tuloy-tuloy lang ang ligaya. Para sa ito, BJ, para sa inyo lahat to. So, thank you very much, guys. We love you all.
Ayun. So, Trickster, any streams this weekend?
No streams this weekend because I'm going to be watching Evo with a friend this weekend.
Nice.
Sino yung friend na yun?
It depends on
Depends on the friend.
No, not depends on the friend. Like, it depends if we can if we decide to skip some matches or not. Maybe we can stream some Rotwood. Like if he decides to play
Buratwood?
Rotwood. No. I played Rotwood. Like I played the demo for it like few
Buratwood ang puta. Anong laro
during
yun?
it.
Nagpapaluan kayo ng burat.
Burat.
I don't know if something I don't know if I'm gonna do something on May, but maybe I'm still thinking on it. But for now, no stream. Well, maybe stream, but I don't know. Like just.
Gusto ko hanggang sa dulo hindi siya decided eh. Gusto ko yung undecided na.
Regarding that stream, like it's either I will stream Rotwood with my friend, like if he doesn't know, or something that Captain Mike has suggested.
Let's go! Summer Time Saga, let's go!
Sabi ni Texter, undecided pa lang siya. Laro na tayo Saturday.
Ganyan.
Thank you, Trickster. And again, Mike, ano tawag dito? Do the honor of closing this roast episode.
ladies and gentlemen, sa lahat ng nandito ngayon sa G3, you guys have been supporting us through and through since day one. For 4 years na po ang G3, pero nandiyan pa rin kayo. I see the familiar faces coming here. Yung pag-share ninyo ng live stream na to, let everyone know na nandito kami. I mean, maraming salamat. Sa mga tropa ko sa G3, sinasabi nila na ano daw yan eh. Some would say these are my team. Ito, sila Lee, si Notch, si Jazz at saka si Trickster. But I would rather call them teammates. Kasi kung ano ako ngayon sa industry na to, they help me through and through. And the roasting episode is a good exercise. Yung alam mo yun, to know some funny bits about each other. Parang bonding session na lang to eh. So in the upcoming episodes of the G3 podcast, you'll be expecting more of this. Dahil we're doing this for all of you. And
More fun, guys.
For that, this is your Captain Mike signing out and back to General Tuna.
Wait, we're
Alright.
just teammates. We're not friends.
Kaya nga, inalit mo ako. Wala talaga.
Brother.
Trickster, I called...
Sabi niya, ano daw tayo? Tapos
Alam mo,
ikaw,
ang-
teammates, anong pinagkaiba nun? Apakagago talaga.
Eto si Trickster talaga number one autocorrect ng hayop na to eh. Talo mo pa yung mga automatron sa
Ano
Hellgate.
sasabihin mo, family? Putang ina, teammates pa din. Anong
Eh.
pinagkaiba nun sa team?
Makinig
Okay,
ka talaga,
okay.
Timmy. Tingnan mo yung mukha mo, Timmy.
Alright.
Siyempre,
Thank you so much,
pag sinasabi ka ng
guys.
team,
And
it's gonna be fun.
mag-aaway
pero,
pa kami
siyempre,
off-stream. O, iaway nyo na yan off-stream. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next week.
Here we go.
Tangina mo, Mike. Tangina mo, Mike. Mike, tangina mo. Timmy na ako, guys, dahil kay Mike. Tanginang mukha yan ng puta. Pakagagong puta.
Una si
Oh.
Timmy Tipaklo.
So,
Nagka-nickname pa ako, putang inang yan. Roast niya ako yung nagkapangalan. Pukin ang inang yan. Humanda kayo, magbabawi ako. Pag-ahandaan kayo next na roast, mga fuck you.
Ikaw Hoy, kaibigan na nga dyan, Timmy Tipaklong.